friends, I'm Anwesha and welcome to my channel. So yesterday I went to the Forum Mall in Bangalore and I saw that in almost all the stores there was a 50% sale going on. So obviously the shopaholic me could not resist myself and I ended up buying a lot of items, and then I decided to do a haul of these products. So yeah, let's begin the haul. So the first one that I got is this jean wear. So this is an active wear that I got from Adidas. This is a full length pant and it has Adidas written all over it, and in here towards the side you can see Adidas is written in bold letters, in big letters, and this is a skin fit material, but it is very comfortable and breathable. Okay, and also this is dry fit, so it will absorb the sweat also while you are gymming. So the price of the product is 2,499, but I got it at 1,500. Yes, I got a very good deal in this. And when I went to the shop, almost I'll say all the pants of my size were sold out, so only this one was left. And at first I was a bit skeptical of taking this one, but then when I tried it out, it looked really good. So you can see in the video. So, yeah. So the next one is this pair of shoes. Okay, so at first I thought of not buying it. You know, that is what happens. At first you think, oh my god, this is so expensive to buy it. But then when I saw this was on sale, I decided to buy it. So yeah, this is a white colored shoe, and see, all over the shoe there are thread works done. So flowers, leaves are made. Yeah. So the original price of this one was 6,999, but I got it at 3,500. Yeah. So this is it. So the next one is this pant that I got from Jockey. So this was not on sale, so I got this for daily wear, like in the home, for wearing at home. So here you see, this is a track pant, so the usual pattern is made, okay, on the sides, and then you have the Jockey logo here, and also you have got two pockets, which is pretty cool, and in the front you have this one, this Nara for tying. So this is a very loose thing, loose fitting thing, which is very comfortable to wear at home. So the price of this one is 799 rupees. Yeah, this was not on sale. Okay. So the next one is this one, this sleepwear t-shirt dress that I got from Westside. This is a red colored dress with here something is written on it, grumpy but gorgeous. You know, this thing attracted me more than the dress itself. Grumpy but gorgeous. Yeah, sometimes I am like that. Okay, so this is a t-shirt dress and the size is short, quite short I'll say, but good for wearing during the night for sleepwear. So the original price of this one is 799 rupees, but I got it for 399 rupees. So this is from Westside. So, and let me tell you, red is my favorite color. Okay, so the next one is, this one is my favorite actually of all the items that I have shopped. This backpack from Accessorize. So you see, this is a black colored backpack, and you can hold it also like this. The holding thing is also there. Provision is there to hold, and these things are there for carrying it on your back, and it is adjustable also from here. Here you can see your flap. So you open it like this. There is a magnet. You open it like this, and this is the inside of the bag. I don't know if you can see it properly on the camera. So this is the inside of the bag, and there is pretty much space inside it, and also in this from the sides you can open it like this. Okay, so it becomes more spacious. So when you open it, you see it becomes more spacious. Yeah. So this is pretty good for girls who are going to college and want to be a little bit fashionable. So this is good for them. And the next one that I got is also, okay, I forgot to tell you the price, of course. Yeah, so the price is, original price is 4,145, and there was a 50% off on it. So it came out to be 2,250, around 2,250 or 2,200, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. Also, I have membership in Accessorize, so for that I also get 10% off, additional off on the entire bill. Okay, so this one is a crossbody bag. You take it like this, a crossbody bag. This one also I got from Accessorize, and you can also carry it like a sling bag, and also you have got handles, so you can carry it like this. Just put the strap inside and carry it like this. So the material is jute, and you see patterns are made on it. And you know why I have bought 2 black bags? Because I think black goes with every dress, whatever you wear. So here is a chain, yeah, and this is a space. You can carry a small wallet, you know, a wallet, a mobile phone, maybe a small water bottle inside it. Yeah, this is it. And yeah, I have seen this kind of bags people buy from Bali, and I'm glad these things have come here also. Now here also it is available. Yes. So here it is written, this is handcrafted. So the original price is 4,545, and I got it for 2,250. Yeah, this one. And this one, yeah, I remember now. Original price is 4,145. I got it for 4,050. Yeah, 2,050. Sorry, 2,050. Yeah. So yeah. So guys, if you have enjoyed watching my video, then please do subscribe to my channel, and also please hit the bell button, and also please like my video, give a thumbs up, and also do comment below what you have liked the most in this entire haul. So see you next time. Bye.